We are looking at US30, a market that I'm not very familiar with, but I want to introduce this into my daily routine. So right away we can see that we are bearish on the 15 minute. Let's look at the higher time frame. Yep, we've been very bearish, but on the higher time frame, it looks like that we've mitigated a zone where it can act as a demand, also an order block. So I want to look out. So in deciding my bias for today, I will be most likely buying or taking a long position. And you sneeze. And the reason to that is we are bearish, but we are so far in the downside that price is likely to reverse up. As you can see here on the RSI, we've oversold as well, and it looks like price is starting to retrace more to the upside, which is likely because we have tapped into a higher time frame demand zone. And on this 4 hour, we are bullish, and if banks were to get in, they'll get in like around there. Yeah, don't take my word for that though, because I don't actually know the bank rate, but it is a demand area. It's in the discount, so I think I will be looking for a long today. Okay, so I can already see that this zone here has already been mitigated. If it wasn't, that would have been a zone I would have picked. So let's look more closer at this area here. Okay. So I will be interested in getting in along these little fair value gaps here. And when price does retrace into this area here, I will keep in mind these imbalances here as well. These right here. So in saying that, when price reaches this zone here, I'm gonna see how price reacts instead of getting in straight away, because this is also a zone where price can retrace into, and if I were to get in straight away, I would like my stop loss to be below those imbalances, with also retaining a 3RR, which is my go-to risk to reward. So we will wait for price to retrace into here and then see what happens. This is a trade that I took this morning around 1:45 a.m. I just woke up in the middle of the night and I saw that price hit our POI, and then we reacted really well. So I did get in around here, and here's proof here. This is on my funded account that I got it in here for US30, and then we ended up getting broke even. So the idea was yeah, just reacted well off the zone that I had before. I was aiming for like this high here, but we just ended up activating our break even, and then initiating that break even over here, saving us from a loss. I think it would have been a big loss because of how volatile this candle is, but yeah, break even, won nothing, lost nothing, so I'm neutral.